Hello dear students, how are you all? In this video I'm going to explain more of numeracy Naplan problems from year 5. Take a look. Let's discuss question 26 onwards for 2016 numeracy paper. Okay, so 26 is about Ari thinks of a number. He writes these clues so his friends can guess it. What is Ari's number? So you are given certain clues and what is Ari's number. So let's read the hints. The number is less than 1000. So this is the first hint. The number has 90 tens. 90 tens means 90 times tens, which is 900. So the number should have 900 in it. The digit in the ones place is the same as the digit in the hundreds place. So it has 900. So there should be something in tens and ones place. All right. And they said it is the same digit in the hundreds as well as the ones place. So this is the hundreds place, this is the ones place, so it should be 99 here. This can be something. So these are the only hints, and it should be less than 1000. Of course 900 something is less than 1000. Okay, so it has to be D for dog. All right, then I'm repeating. I always say this in most of my videos that all your Naplans are time tests. Do not waste any time, and you should keep on moving question after question so that you can finish your paper. Okay, question 27 is about Bill, Sue and Mark share a bag of apples. Okay, so there are three people sharing a bag of apples. Bill and Sue each get 1/6 of the apples in the bag. So this question is about fractions. By looking at the fractional number, you should be guessing that, oh, it's a question on fraction. Then they will say what fraction of the bag of apple is left for Mark. So let's understand fraction. See, with the help of number line. If I draw a number line and I need to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts of it. So 1/6, then 1/6, then 1/6, then 1/6, then 1/6, then 1/6. There it was a bag of apple. That also they were sharing in 6 equal parts. Okay, so 6 parts, like they just assume that they made 6 bunches of the whole apples and there are equal number of apples. Okay, now if 1/6 is kept by Bill and the other 6th is kept by Sue, what share is kept by the third person? Isn't it Mark? So 1/6 gone, 1/6 gone. So I think we are left with 1, 2, 3, 4/6, isn't it? So 4/6 is left. For this is 0, 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, 4/6, 5/6 and 6/6 is a whole. Okay, so you can think of a number line every time you do fraction questions, if that helps. So 4/6 is the correct answer because that is the only fraction left. This piece is kept by the third friend, maybe Mark. Okay, let's move on. Question 28. Hugo wants to find the missing number below. This is inverse calculation. Whenever you see questions of this as something minus something is something, so you do inverse calculation. So it's which of these could Hugo use to find the missing number? So this is the missing number. You should be doing 45 plus 38 to find whatever is the answer. Okay, always use inverse calculations for such questions. So I think this is the correct. They're not even asking you to calculate, they're just asking you what to do. So it's a really quick question that you should be answering. Just be careful with the inverse calculation. So it's adding these will give you a bigger number. Okay, all right, I hope this point is clear. Then question 29. I need to zoom out a bit. This one is a long question. Okay, so Ara went for a run and stopped after 1/4 kilometer. Okay, so he went for a run and he stopped after 1/4 kilometer. Which of these show Arav at the point where he stopped running? So they are drawing a number line and showing that where Arav stopped. So let's see, there are 4 number lines and this is Arav. In the first one, remember, when you're doing 0 to 1, that's a fraction. Less than 1 is fraction. So that, and they did 1, 2, 3, 4 parts of it. Okay, always think of fraction as parts, not these little tiny lines. So if I just see the marks, logically it should be 0, 1 quarter, 2 quarters, 3 quarters, and 4 quarters is a whole. Okay, so that means he stopped after 1 kilometer. If I consider the first number line, which is not true, he stopped after 1/4 of a kilometer. Now for the second number line, 0 to 4 kilometer, it's not 1, so it's 1 kilometer, 2 kilometers, 3 kilometers, 4 kilometers. The number line is working like that. For this one, it's again 0 to 1, so it has to be a fraction. 1 quarter, 2 quarters, 3 quarters, 4 quarters is a whole. Here it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So see, in the third one, he stopped after 1 kilometer. This number line is showing that he stopped after 1 kilometer. So this is the correct answer. Do not forget that 0 to 1, if you do parts of 0 to 1, you will get fractions. Okay, less than a whole is a fraction. I hope this explanation is clear. Let's move on to the next question. 30 quickly. William earns money each week for doing his jobs. Okay, he's doing some jobs each week. So I always tell that pay special attention to what all information is given to you. They said William earns money each week. Okay, for each job he earns $2. He records the number of jobs he does in 1 week. Okay, this is the number of jobs he's doing in 1 week. If William does the same jobs for 3 weeks, how much money will he get all together? So let's see how many jobs is he doing in 1 week. 3 plus 5, 8 plus 1, 9 plus 4, I think 13. So he's doing 13 jobs. Okay, and he's getting $2, okay, for each job, and he did that for 3 weeks. You should be multiplying logically to get the amount he earned, because for every job he is getting $2. So 2 plus 2 plus 2, 13 times, and this is the money he earned for 1 week, and then he'll earn the same money for the second week and the same money for the third week. So it's 3 weeks earning. That means you have to add all 3. That means you're multiplying by 3, because multiplication is repeated addition, right? So 13 times 2 is 26. 26 times 3, if you are unsure, you can do that in the rough space like this. 3 times 6 is 18, and 3 times 2, 6 plus 1, 7. So that's $78. Okay, so it's basically multiplication of 3 numbers. He did 13 jobs. He was earning $2 per job. So total money in 1 week, this is his 1 week's money. This much is his 1 week's money. 1 week's money, 1 week money, or 1 week's money, and then you have to multiply it by 3 for he worked for 3 weeks. Alright, I hope this explanation helped. In case you still have any doubt, we can always discuss. Be hardworking. Do like and subscribe to my videos. Thank you so much.